Welcome to Sharad V. More English School online lecture. Good afternoon, student. In problem set 5, till now we have completed the 12 questions. Today we will solve the 13 and the other questions. Now see question number 13. Each card bears one letter from word mathematics. The cards are placed on a table upside down. Find the probability that card drawn bear the letter M. Okay, so I think this question is completed. Now we have to say the next one. ये क्वेश्चन क्या है, हुआ है क्या, जस्ट चेक इट एंड देन okay, yes, this question is completed in last time. Now see the question number 14. Question number 14. Out of 200 students from a school, were 35 like the kabaddis and remaining students do not like the game. अब यहाँ पे क्या है, ये 14 क्वेश्चन इज ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन टू यू, ये भी एक्सप्लेन हो चुका है. क्या है इस 14 क्वेश्चन? यस, student out of the 200 student 135 like kabaddi is, remaining student do not like the game. If one student selected at random, if okay, one student selected as random from all the student, find the probability that the student selected doesn't like kabaddi. So this question is also completed last time. Here we found the probability that the student does not like kabaddi is 13 upon 40. Now question number 15. क्या है question number 15 that we have to solve today? Okay, question number 15. See, a two-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition of digits is allowed. Repetition of digits is allowed. Now see, accept these questions when there is a questions to form the two-digit number. In all questions you have seen the digits repetition is not allowed. Without repetition of digits is mentioned. But here repetition of the digits is allowed. Find the probability that number so formed is prime number, multiple of 4 and multiple of 11. ओके, इसके पहले जितने भी क्वेश्चन देखा था उसमें क्या दिया था कि वहाँ पे रिपीटेशन ऑफ डिजिट्स आर नॉट अलाउड, बट इन दिस व्हाट इज गिवन, रिपीटेशन ऑफ डिजिट्स आर अलाउड. कि रिपीटेशन क्या है यहाँ पे अलाउड है, ये दिया हुआ. ओके, नाउ सी, फर्स्ट वी विल मेक द टू डिजिट नंबर्स. पहले टू डिजिट नंबर्स फॉर्म कर लेंगे. Okay, now the two-digit numbers formed. The solution of this question: the two-digit numbers, formed by digits, by digits. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, ये digits है. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there. The two digit numbers formed by the digits are. Now see the first one. So yes, we will place the one at the tens place, another at the unit place. So here 1, 0, 10. Now yes, 1 and 1 will become 11, 1 and 2 12, 1 and 3 13, 1 and 4 14. Next 2 and 0 become 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. Now we will place the 3 at the tens place. So this will become the 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now yes, 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. ओके, इतने नंबर्स हम लोगों को मिल गए. ये क्या है, ये नंबर्स टू डिजिट नंबर्स फॉर्म यूजिंग द डिजिट्स 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 एंड रिपीटेशन ऑफ द डिजिट्स आर अलाउड. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है, रिपीटेशन इज अलाउड. तो दैट्स व्हाई हियर the 11 will form, 22 will form, 33 will form, and 44 will also form. So now see, so therefore S is equals to sample space. Sample space will include what? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30, 31, 33, 34, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Now count the total 2 digit numbers formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. Okay, here 31, after that 32 is left. यहाँ पे 32 क्या हो गया, लेफ्ट हो गया था. ओके, नाउ यस ऐड दिस ऑल्सो. तो नाउ यस टोटल नंबर ऑफ द 2 digit numbers are 20. तो NS is equals to 20. Okay, NS is equals to 20. Now yes, we will write down the events. Now the first event, the number formed is a prime number. Number formed is a prime number. So let A is event. Let A is event that number. Let A is event that number formed is. Let A is event that number formed is prime number. Is prime number. So A is equals to. Now yes, we have to select the prime number. So 11 is the prime number here. 11, 23. 23 is also prime number. 31. 31 is a prime number. 41 is also prime number. And 43. So here, yes, 11, 23, 31, 41, and 43 are the prime number. So therefore, NA is equals to 5. NA is equals to 5. Okay, now find out the probability. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, one number is left here. After 11 there will be 13. Okay, 11, 13, 11, 13, 23, 31, 41, 43 are the LIS prime numbers. So therefore N is equals to 6. N is equals to 6. Now, okay, find the probability. The probability of event A. Probability of event A is equals to number of sample point of A upon number of sample point of the sample space. So this is equals to 6 upon 20. Now this is divisible by the 2. So 2 3 ja 6 and 2 10 ja 20. So this is 3 upon 10. Okay. तो ये क्या है, 3 upon 10. Now we will see the next event. Event number 2. सेकेंड इवेंट देखेंगे अभी. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड इवेंट मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. क्या बोला है, ये इवेंट बी इज द इवेंट दैट गेटिंग द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4. तो यार मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 मीन्स द नंबर विच आर डिविजिबल बाय 4. तो बी इज लेट बी इज इवेंट ऑफ let b is event of getting multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Okay, so yes, now b is equals to, now in this sample space, now see the number which are divisible by 4 is 12. Okay, 20, 24, 32, 40, 40, and 42. Okay, so this number will come here. Which number? Yes, 12. Okay, 12, 20, 24, 32, 40, 40, 40, and 42. And last number 44. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. Okay, now yes, 44. 40 then 44. So these numbers are divisible by the 4. So that's why they are multiple of the 4. 42 will not come, okay, because yes, the 42 divisible by 3, but here there is a multiple of 4. So yes, in multiple of 4 these numbers will come. 12, 20, 24, 32, 40 and 44. So therefore number of sample point in sample number of the sample point in event B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will find out what the probability. The probability of event B is equals to number of sample point in B upon number of sample point in sample space. So this is equals to 6 upon 20. 2 3 ja 6, 2 10 ja. So this is 3 upon 10. Now yes, last event this is 3 upon 10. Okay, now last event is the multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44. So let now third one let C is event that numbers obtained or getting. You can write getting. C is the event that number obtained are multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. So what are the multiple of 11? Those number which are divisible by 11 called multiple of 11. So C is equals to, now yes, in this the 11 is multiple of the 11, 22 and 33 and 44. So these are the multiple of the 11. Okay, so here what will come? 11, 22, 33 and 44. So therefore NC is equals to 4. NC is equals to 4. Now find out the probability. So probability of event C is equals to number of sample point in the number of the sample point in the event C upon number of sample point in sample space. So this is equals to 4 upon 20. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So this is equals to 1 upon 5. Okay, this is equals to 1 upon 5. It's clear now. Now write down the answer. Okay, when we find the probability of the number form is prime number, that time the probability is 3 upon 10. In second event the probability is also 3 upon 10, and in third event the probability is 1 upon 5. Okay, now we completed the question number 15. Okay, now let's see the question number 16. अब क्या देखना है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 को ऑब्जर्व करो. ऑब्जर्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Question number 16. Okay, its solution. Now question number 16. The faces of a die bears number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the faces of a die bears number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the die is rolled twice, then find the probability that product of the digits on upper face is 0. अब क्या बोला इसमें? फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिजिट्स ऑन द अपर फेसेस इज 0. So now we know that the die bears the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here the die bears the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So first we will write down the sample space when the die have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on upper faces. Okay, now you see here the die is rolled twice. The die rolled twice. So here we will get the sample space score in the sample space as we get the sample space for the two dice roll. जैसा कि दो डाइस हम लोग एक साथ में रोल करते हैं उस टाइम जैसा हमको क्या मिलता है? इस स्कोर्स मिलते हैं. सेम स्कोर्स वी विल गेट हियर. द डाई. ओके, नाउ राइट डाउन द सॉल्यूशन. Okay, solution. Solution. The die the die is the die is rolled the die is rolled twice. The die is rolled twice. Therefore sample space is the sample space is okay. The sample space is S is equals to 0 comma 1. Okay, so yes, now the score on the first die may be 0 and on the next one it may be yes 1 or it may be 0 0. Okay, the now faces are 0 1 2 3 4 5. So therefore the number on first die may be 0 and the number on second die is also 0. So this will be 0 comma 0 0 comma 1. Now yes, the number on the first die may be 0 and on second is 1. 0 comma 2 0 comma 3 0 comma 4 and 0 comma 5. Okay, similarly the number on the first die, okay, is 1 and on second 0 it is on the second die it is 0. So 1 comma 0 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 1 comma 5. Now yes, 3 comma 0 3 comma 1 3 comma 2 3 comma 3 3 comma 4 3 comma 5. Here 4 comma 0 4 comma 1 4 comma 2 4 comma 3 4 comma 4 4 comma 5. Okay, 5 comma 0. Next one will be 5 comma 1 5 comma 2 5 comma 3 5 comma 4 and 5 comma 5. And last scores will be 6 comma 0 6 comma 1 6 comma 2 6 comma 3 6 comma 4 and 6 comma 5. Okay, so these are the scores when the die bears the 0 1 2 3 4 5 on the faces and they are rolled twice. और उसको अगर हम 2 times twice करते then when we roll the same die twice, so the sample space contain the sample point is equals to 36. So ns is equals to 36. Now what is given? Find the probability that product of the digits on upper faces is 0. Where to find out the probability of event that product of digit on upper faces is product means yes multiplication. When the two scores are multiplied, so their product must be 0. So such scores we have to find out. Okay, now let a is let a is event that let a is event that the product of digits on upper faces is 0. So now therefore a is equals to, now see, yes, 0 into 0, when we multiply 0 into 0, so this will we get the 0. Now yes, 0 into 1, again we will get the 0. 0 into 1. Now next one 0 into 2, तो दिस विल बी अगेन बिकम 0. 0 into 3, तो ये भी क्या हो जाएगा 0. 0 into 4, दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम 0. 0 into 5, तो दिस विल ऑल्सो बिकम what? Yes, 0. Now yes, next one 1 into 0, so this product will also be 0. Okay, in next one 3 into 0, so here 3 into 0 will be 0. So this is the score where the product of the upper faces will be 0. Now yes, next one 4 comma 0, this will give the 0. Now 5 comma 0, and lastly 6 comma 0. So these are the scores whose products is equals to 0. So now count the total score: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So therefore na is equals to 11. The total scores are 11 whose products are 0. Now find out the probability. Probability of event A is equals to number of sample point of event A upon number of sample point of the sample space. So this is equals to, now Na is equals to 11 and Ns is equals to 36. Now yes, 11 upon 36. This will remain as it is because yes, 11 is the prime number. It is not divisible by the 36, and yes, 36 is divisible by 2 3, but not divisible by 11. So this will remain as it is. Now write down the answer. The probability the probability that the product of digits on upper faces on upper face is 0 is 11 upon 36, full stop. Okay, 11 upon 36. Now लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्टिविटी. अब हम लोगों को कौन सा क्वेश्चन देखना, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज एन एक्टिविटी. जो क्या है, एक्टिविटी है. ओके, लेट्स सी द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम सेट 5. देन यस, ओनली वन लेसन विल रिमेन. See the question number 17. Do the following activity. Do the following activity. Now yes, in activity what is given? Activity में दिया क्या है? Okay. Activity 1. The total number of students in your class NS is equals to. Okay, now yes, you have to write by your own. Okay, now yes, how many students are in your class? Number of students from your class wearing spectacles. Now yes, how many numbers? Yes, how many students that wear the spectacles? कितने बच्चे जो है, कितने बच्चे हैं जो क्या करते हैं, स्पेक्टिकल्स वेयर करते हैं, दैट यू हैव टू राइट हियर. नाउ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ द randomly selected student wearing spectacles. Probability of the randomly selected student wearing spectacles PA is equals to that. Now number of randomly selected not wearing the spectacles is this. Okay, so here you have to fill the boxes. So yes, how you will complete it? Okay, now yes, total number of student in your class. Suppose yes, it is there are 30 student in your class. Number of student from your class wearing spectacles. Suppose the 10 are wearing the spectacle. So here 10 will come. Now probability of the randomly selected student wearing spectacles will be the number of student that wear the spectacles upon the number of total student. Okay, so this will be 10 upon 30. So 10 1 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30. So it will be 1 upon 3. Okay. Now probability of randomly selected students do not wear spectacle. So there are the 20 students that do not wear the spectacle. Okay. तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, यस दैट वुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय द 30. वो क्या है, 30 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, समझ में है क्या कि यस हाउ यू विल सॉल्व. ओके, नाउ यस सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ इट. 17. Yes, 17. Total total number of total number of students in total number of student your in your class in your class, comma, NS is equals to, now suppose the total number of student are 30, कितने हैं 30 है. Okay, the number of student the number of student from your class, the number of student from your class wearing spectacles PA is equals, sorry, the number of student from your class wearing spectacles, so this is NA. NA is equals to the number of student from your class wearing spectacles. NA is equals to, suppose 10 are wearing spectacles. Okay, the number of student from your class wearing spectacles NA is equals to 10. Okay, now the probability of a randomly selected probability of the randomly selected student wearing spectacles PA is equals to, now yes there is box, so now this will be probability of event A. Now this is the rough work. Okay, the probability of event A will be NA upon NS. So this is equals to, now NA is 10 and NS is equals to 30. Okay, now yes, 10 1 ja 10, 10 3 ja 30. So this will be 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Probability of a randomly selected student wearing spectacles PA will be 1 upon 3. Okay, so yes, here rough work is done. So how to yes find out the solution. Now next, probability, next part, probability of a randomly probability of a randomly selected students not wearing spectacles, not wearing spectacles, P is equals to, okay, box. Now yes, total number are the 30. 30 are the total student. Okay, now yes, 10 are wearing the spectacles. So now the number of students not wearing spectacles is equals to 30 minus 10 is equals to 20. So therefore it will be NB is equals to 20. Therefore probability of event B is equals to NB upon NS. So this is equals to 20 upon 30. So 10 2 ja 20 and 10 3 ja 30. So this will be equals to 2 upon 3. क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 2 upon 3. Yes, now yes, here in all classes this ratios will this probability will be different because the number of students are different in the different classes. But here we have taken the total 30 students. and 10 student we have taken that we are the spectator, so that's why the ratio will be this. Now write down the answer. Okay, now yes, it is activity, no need to write down the answer. Now activity number 2. Activity number 2. Let's see the activity 2. What is given over here? Activity number 2. Decide the sample space yourself and fill in the following boxes. So you have to decide the sample space. तो this is open ended question. खुद से क्या करना है, sample space decide करना है और उसके बाद तुमको खुद ये fill करना boxes. Now सब sample space. तो here by your own you have to write down the numbers or letters, then you have to write down the ns. उसके बाद क्या लिखना है, ns. Now condition of event a is getting an even number. Condition for event a is getting an even number. So here you have to take, suppose you have taken the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so now the number of sample point in the sample space will be 8 because you have taken 1 to 8 numbers. Now condition for event a is getting an even number. So here in 1 to 8 the 2 is the even number, 4 is the even number, 6 is even number, and 8 is also even number. The number of sample point in the event A is 4. So now probability of event A is equals to number of sample points in event A. So that is 4, and the number of sample point in the sample is 4. So this is 8. So 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. So this is 1 upon 2. Understood? So you can take the other numbers in the sample space. I have taken 1 to 8. So you can take the 1 to 10, 1 to 15, 1 to 20, etc. etc. तो ऐसा कुछ भी ले सकते हो सैंपल स्पेस पे, and then you have to find out the even number from that sample space. Okay, and then you have to divide the number of the sample point in the event A to number of the sample point in the sample space. Okay student, understood now?